the Judgment card. So I will be reading from the Voyager Tarot by James Wanless. Time space, known traditionally in the tarot as Judgment or Aeon, is symbolized by Xipe Totec, Aztec god of spring who, wearing the skin of a sacrificed human, represents the new life which attends the death judgment of old karmic patterns. As symbolized by the three Buddha judges, this is a time for rendering justice to yourself through objective and acute self-evaluation. The law of karma, the law of laws symbolized by time-space, means that with your telescopic vision, you are able to see the causes and effects of your mental and behavioral patterns. The sequences of the rock monument, sun and moon, indicate your ability to see how your past determined your present and what your present will create for you in the future. Through your vision, alter the future and redirect your karma. Your sundial steering wheel illustrates your understanding of who you are and where you are going. Like the flyer, birds, meditator, and explorer spacecraft, take great flights of mind. As a traveler in consciousness, transcend the world of matter and go in mind anywhere for any time period. You are a futurist and seer. Your visions and ideas are seeds that bubble forth to alter minds and perceptions. The shadow of negative side of time-space. You may have a tendency, however, to dwell exclusively in your mind. You space out and ignore your physical and worldly needs and responsibilities. You fail to earth the genius of your perceptions. Void of course, moon. Nothing will come of this situation. I feel like this serves as a warning. Nothing will come of this situation if you do not leave behind what needs to be left behind, if you do not detach yourself from old patterns, old habits, old ways of being, old ways of conduct. Nothing will come of this situation if you remain the same. If you resist the change, if you refuse to change, nothing will come of this situation. It will be the same thing.